Hi, I'm Dave, the chef of Breville Polyscience, and I'm excited to introduce the HydroPro Plus and the HydroPro. The HydroPro Plus features a hypodermic needle probe that displays the core temperature of your food as it cooks. This feature is particularly helpful when delta cooking, as the bath is set hotter than your target core temperature. The probe is also used for data logging the core temperature of products for HACCP compliance. Cooking logs are stored on board the unit and can be transferred to the HACCP Manager App via Bluetooth for easy management and organization. Sous Vide Toolbox is an intuitive guided cooking experience that simplifies sous vide cooking by using scientific algorithms to calculate the time to temperature and pasteurization for a vast range of foods. If you are familiar with the Sous Vide Toolbox app, the onboard Sous Vide Toolbox has been expanded to include new food types such as grains, vegetables, fruit, and more. You can now store your most frequently used sous vide products for easy recall with my presets. Programs may include a name, temperature, timer, flow speed, and for the HydroPro Plus, a probe alarm. Not only have we completely redesigned the user interface, we've updated our design to feature a full color TFT display. Heating and circulation have been improved with the selection of a 1485 watt heater. Designed with food safety and simple maintenance in mind, the appliance features a smooth waterproof construction and quick release clamp. The tension clamp holds the unit firmly in place during operation and enables the device to be quickly removed for cleanup. The pumping system is the first of its kind. A magnetic impeller features toolless removal for easy cleaning. The pump direction is adjustable with a rotating base in the event that you need to turn your bath sideways to save table space. The flow speed is adjustable with 3 speeds for gentle low circulation or aggressive pumping in large baths. A ruby tungsten bearing system has been chosen to ensure longevity of the impeller coupling. In addition to the robust technical package and intuitive user experience, the HydroPro circulators have received IPX7 water resistance, NSF food safety, and other commercial safety standard certifications. The HydroPro Plus is HACCP ready right out of the box. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and follow us on all of our channels for more great content.